Good morning, everyone. I'm going to clean the bathroom. I'm going to give it a really good clean today. You know when you need to get behind the toilet to the what's sort of like the output, that bit there that sort of attaches to the toilet to the outside pipe. I'm going to give all of that a really good clean today. I'm going to put Vical on the taps and mould and mildew cleaner on the tiles. I don't have any, but I keep it at bay by doing that. So I thought I would just put you on a time lapse and show you me cleaning. It might make you decide to do your bathroom, although your bathroom probably doesn't need it quite as much as mine. I just seem to have cobwebs everywhere today as well. Where have they come from? I'm absolutely sweating. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. Well, the only thing I haven't done is we've got a little cobweb up the top. Can you see it? Probably can't see it, you might. Up by the light, where am I? Light fitting over here, at the top there, or wherever, over there, and up there by the vent, the air vent, and there's a little spider. So I'll come up the long-handled brush that I've got to get rid of the cobwebs. I'll be kind, leave the spider. It will probably run behind the vent anyway. It usually does. But everything else is nice and clean and done. I need to get some more drain on blocker for the sink. It's still very, very slow. So annoying how slow it is. But anyway, it's all done, all clean. I do clean my bathroom, don't get me wrong, I really do clean. I clean it every week, but I don't always do behind the loo. I always do the floor, but I don't always do that bit that goes out from the toilet to outside pipe. But now I've given it a really good clean, I think it might be easier. I try to remember to just quickly give that a wipe over as well when I do the rest of the bathroom. So it's all nice and clean, it's all done. So nice clean sparkly loo. Everything's cleaned, even cleaned the window. Done the tiles, lime scale. That's all done on the taps and on the shower head, all done. So everything's nice and clean. Cleaned the mirror, did the floors, radiator, underneath the radiator. They're the sort of things that I tend to do anyway. Every week I do that. Do my mirror, on top of the mirror. The one thing I don't do every week is behind the loo, as I've said, but I will try and be mindful of that and to do that. So I'm going to give it a quick burst of air freshener. This is the Pure Multi-Mist Passion, no, what does it say? I can't read it from here. Haitian hibiscus. It smells really lovely. It's from Aldi. That spray was from Aldi. So yeah, I feel quite satisfied. I've actually come up and I've done a really good sort of deep clean in the bathroom. The only thing I've got to do is to do those up there. There's a cobweb, and up there, right up in there. Yeah, so up there's a cobweb, and up there's a cobweb somewhere up there. But I will come up with the long handled duster and do that, because otherwise I won't feel like I've actually finished the bathroom if I don't do that. So yeah, one job done. Now to go and make lunch. Take my rubber gloves back down with me. Shut the door. One job done. To the WC.